During the Miocene and up to the early Pliocene, 17 million years ago, one of the most incredible geologic events ever to occur on our planet happened right here in the Northwest. This geological event may be the most impressive the Earth has ever witnessed. At its peak rate, the flow was 10 times the combined flow of all the rivers of the world. It was enough lava to cover the continental U.S. under 12 meters of lava. The Pomona flow itself was so strong it traveled from west central Idaho to the Pacific Ocean, 600 kilometers away, making it the longest lava flow on Earth.
Glass, plagioclase, and agate are the most common minerals in these basalts. They formed through the volcanic eruptions. They came from fissures and shield volcanoes that opened and spewed lava over a 12 million year period from 17 million years ago to 5 million years ago.
These ages are based upon the region's uniformity and the fact that the major and trace elements composition do not change over the length of the lava flows from central Idaho to the Pacific Ocean.
The main structural features are lava dams, coulees, talus fields, pillow lavas in the northwest, basalt dikes, basalt spires, sedimentary basins, and basalt plain plateaus. Due to the lava, the Columbia River's course was changed, and lava dams also created lakes.
Beginning 17 million years ago, the Columbia River basalts were created over a 12 million year period of 300 separate volcanic eruptions. However, most of it was created over a short period from 16.5 million years ago to 15.6 million years ago, when the Grande Ronde erupted, accounting for 90% of the Columbia River basalts. However, once the flow stopped around 5 million years ago, sediments were deposited, creating sedimentary beds. Periodic earthquakes folded and stretched the Columbia River basalt. During the last ice age, about 18,000 years ago, huge ice dams blocked rivers, which eventually broke through and created the scablands. Waterfalls such as dry falls and carried and dropped huge boulders along the Columbia River basin.
From the Miocene to present day, the topography has been shaped and sculpted by the geologic forces of lava eruptions, covering all previous geologic history. The erupted basalts cool some quickly by exposure to water, weathering continental uplift and glaciation during the last ice age. Massive floods have all shaped, sculpted, and formed what is now called the Columbia River Basin.
Primary resources in this region: electricity from the Columbia River Dam, natural gas. Deep water circulation brings heated waters close to the surface, creating geothermal heating. Some interesting facts about the Columbia River basalts. During the eruptions, there were gas plumes so large and in such amounts and in short periods of time, they may have been the cause of mass extinctions. Some of the gases were hydrochloric and sulfuric, which are common in volcanic plumes. Another interesting fact was what happened during the last ice age 18,000 years ago. Some of the ice sheets, 4,000 feet thick, created huge dams which eventually gave way. Huge amounts of water released, creating what is now called the Channel Scabland and Dry Falls. Dry Falls is a skeleton of one of the greatest waterfalls in geologic history. Dry Falls, which is 3.5 miles wide, with a drop of more than 400 feet, compared to Niagara Falls, which is 1.5 miles wide with a drop of 125 feet.